In this video, I will show you how to know if someone is stalking you on Instagram. Now let's go to your profile icon on the lower corner. Click on the three lines on the upper corner, and then you just have to scroll down and look for account type and tools. Now you just have to switch to professional account. It doesn't really matter how you fill this information right off. You just have to fill this up in order for you to have a professional account. So let's say I'm a creator. Hit continue and all, then hit next. Now, in order for you to know if someone is stalking you, all you have to do is to add to your highlights. You just have to click this new right here, and then click on your past highlights or stories. Now, as you can see, if you tap on activity right here, you will be able to see who views your highlights on your profile. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!